Hello freelancers, in today's instructional video, I am going to teach you the process of effectively optimizing your profile. Optimizing your profile is of significant importance because the more appealing your profile appears to potential clients, the greater your chances of securing work opportunities. If you wish to optimize your profile, the initial step is to log into your account and navigate to the dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, you will find a profile section located at the bottom on the side. You need to click on it. You are necessitated to click on it. Upon clicking on it, you will be capable of viewing the strength of your profile. If the strength is significantly low, it signifies that your probability of acquiring work opportunities here is also considerably low. This is exactly why you should endeavor to maintain your strength at a good and elevated level. Consequently, we will now focus on enhancing this strength. At this juncture, what you need to do initially is to input your fundamental information. For example, you are required to upload your logo, specifically your profile logo, so it is always advisable to upload a high-quality professional image in this section as it significantly enhances your chances of obtaining work opportunities. If you mistakenly upload an inappropriate photo, such as a sideways photo or a photo taken from the back, there is a possibility that your account could potentially get banned. Therefore, it is always important to ensure you upload a good photo. What you need to do to upload is click on the upload button. After clicking, what you will have the ability to do is navigate to the specific location where your photograph is stored and upload a high-quality professional image. In my situation, I am going to proceed with uploading my photograph right here, so it is in the process of being uploaded at the moment. What actions can we take while it is in the process of uploading? We have the option to upload additional images here as well. Regarding the image for the reverse side, what steps should I take to upload it? Initially, I will verify some specific details, such as ensuring that the photograph in your display picture does not exceed a maximum size of 10 MB. If it is within this 10 MB limit, your photograph will successfully upload. However, if the size of your photograph exceeds 10 MB, what you possess the capability to do is adjust the size of the image and subsequently proceed to upload it in this location. For the cover images, it is crucial to ensure that the dimensions of the cover image are exactly 1920 by 400 pixels. You can design your cover image to match these specific dimensions and upload it here. I have already successfully completed the upload of the cover images. Next, you will be required to input your first name and last name. If you have previously entered your full name accurately during the sign-up process, it will already appear here. Otherwise, you have the option to modify it here. Subsequently, it is necessary to display what your present position entails. This means what work are you engaged in at the moment. Alright, so for instance, I am involved in video editing. In your situation, you can select any field, such as if you are a content writer, a web developer, or an animator. Whatever position you desire to work in or freelance for, you can provide the details here. I'll input it here. Video editing is suitable. I have successfully uploaded the video editing content, so what should be my next step here? I will navigate to the category section and choose my specific category, such as video editing. In your situation, you should select whatever category is relevant to you. After that, you can include a brief description about yourself in this section. Alright, I have already composed the description on a note, so I will simply paste it here. In this section, I have elaborated on who I am and the specific work that I am engaged in. All the necessary details are present here, so I will simply paste them. And please remember, do not include any phone number, email address, or any form of contact information in the description. Otherwise, there is a possibility that your account could potentially get banned. So, in the discussion, I have essentially included information about who I am, what my professional experience entails, and the work I am involved in, such as video editing, graphic design, animation, and web development. I have incorporated all the relevant details and also the software I am proficient in. In your particular situation, it would be beneficial to enumerate any tools you are proficient in utilizing, and if you possess any completed work, you have the option to incorporate links to it. For instance, if you have previously created a video, you can include its link. Similar to how I have added a YouTube link, you can make it selectable and clickable, allowing anyone to directly click and view it. Additionally, you can incorporate links to various items such as your comprehensive portfolio here. However, refrain from entering any contact details as it could potentially lead to a ban. Following that, you will need to input your date of birth, so just choose something arbitrary. I've done this and you can do likewise. Alright, then proceed to enter your age. My age is 25, so choose within the 18 to 25 range. Subsequently, you need to select your gender as male. Specify which languages you are familiar with, so I am entering that information here. I entered English. Then it asks for qualifications and your experience. So whatever work you have done, how much experience do you have in it? You can enter that, and I have entered 1 to 2 years here. Then I'm going to write about the salary, how much I need. I am writing it on a per day basis here, but you can also write it on a monthly basis. I am writing that. I inputted $10 into this particular section, and when it pertains to the salary time frame, you must ascertain whether you prefer $10 on an hourly, daily, or monthly basis. You possess the option to make a selection here, so I chose $10 per day. Based on what you consider to be suitable, you can make your decision. Which currency option will you choose? I have decided to select USD, which stands for United States dollars, so I have chosen dollars here. Next, you are required to input your location, so I am entering my specific location here. Wherever you are from, you should enter your location here as well. Then it instructs you to upload your resume or your CV. Here you can see the document formats it supports, so it should be in that format, and you can upload it here. So I will simply click on browse. After clicking, wherever my CV is stored, I am going to place the quantity of CVs here. Alright, I have successfully uploaded my CV here, and it was uploaded without any issues. Next, you are required to input your social network, which is essentially where you display your portfolio work. You can link all your profiles here, such as Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. So I will add my Twitter account as well. I've copied the link here and added my Twitter profile. Then I will proceed to copy and add my LinkedIn landing page as well. Subsequently, I proceed to copy the Facebook link and incorporate it here. And following that, I also include the Instagram link. After completing this, if you happen to be utilizing any additional social networks, you can incorporate those here as well. Once you have added them all, you can proceed to save it. Next, we move on to the gallery section. The gallery is essentially where you have the opportunity to add screenshots of any work you are currently engaged in. For instance, if I am involved in video editing projects, I can add a screenshot of that. Or if I am engaged in content writing, I can also add a screenshot of that as well. You have the capability to upload files here, and the maximum file size that is accepted is 10 megabytes. Therefore, ensure that all your files do not exceed 10 megabytes. For instance, I am in the process of uploading several images here. I have included various types such as video editing, graphic design, two-dimensional animation, and others. I believe the maximum quantity of images you are permitted to upload here is 6. You are unable to upload more than 6 images. You ought to upload items within the images section, so I have uploaded my 6 images. They are in the process of being uploaded, and once they are fully uploaded, they will become visible on my profile. Subsequently, it suggests that you upload a video, such as a reel or a self-introduction video. For instance, if you are stating that you are a video editor, you can discuss the work you perform, what you have accomplished, and what you are capable of doing for them. If you are able to create a self-introduction video, that would be advantageous because it fosters more trust with the client, so please proceed to upload it. In my perspective, I possess this particular video, so I duplicate it. After duplicating, what is my next step? I proceed to link it to Nice, so make sure that the video is not directly uploaded here. Initially, you must upload your video to your YouTube channel and subsequently paste that link here. Only YouTube videos are supported in this context. It does not support videos from platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Therefore, upload it to YouTube. You have the option to make it unlisted or public there. You can upload it here. Then next, you can see that the profile strength was 5%, and now how much has it become? It has reached 49%. So the more it increases, the better it is. See, it is gradually increasing because everything has been uploaded. It is being saved, so it is increasing. Then next, what do you need to do? You need to click on publish, in which case your profile will also be published. Now, where will we go next? Next, we will go to education, where you have to enter everything you have studied. Here, I have selected education. I'm inputting my educational background now. I've entered the education details and I'll randomly pick the education level. You can do something similar. I'll also add the date I joined and other relevant info. I will incorporate when it was finalized. If you are still in the process of pursuing your studies, you can select this option here. Alright. And you may also compose a description above it. I will document what I accomplished, what I engaged in during my graduation or bachelor's degree, allowing me to incorporate numerous details here. Furthermore, if I have pursued additional studies, I can add another section and provide details about those qualifications as well. Thus, this is saved. Now I'll proceed to the experience section to list the jobs I've held and the companies I've worked for. I've added the company and I'm now adding the role of video editor. When did you work as a video editor? I'm currently doing it. I'll put it here, alright. If you're still doing it, you can also choose at the present time. Since I've already left, I'll mark it as boring. 20. You have the option to compose a concise description regarding the activities I was engaged in there and the ways in which I was providing assistance. You may mention numerous aspects to the rest of the team here and acknowledge them, or if you have accomplished different tasks, you can incorporate that as well. Additionally, you can include everything you completed prior to that here and proceed to click on publish. You will observe that the profile strength is progressively enhancing. Next, we will add our skills, like what work I can do. For example, I can add that I know 2D animation. Mainly, I am good at video editing. Try not to select too many skills. Choose as few as possible. Select only 1 or 2 where you feel you are truly proficient in that field. That would be best, but if you have more, you can add them, no problem. I'll go ahead and do that. After publishing, you can see it gradually progressing. Then you can add a portfolio to show a little about the work you have done. Initially, I'm able to upload an image or a file here that is up to 10 megabytes in size. So I will proceed to upload it to demonstrate that I am actively working on this. I have successfully uploaded the images and now I will assign a title to the project which I have already approved. Video editing is suitable and I will also supply a link to the work so that individuals or clients can view the work you have accomplished in the portfolio. Additionally, you can provide a concise description of what is contained within that portfolio. You can do all that whether you finished it or not. If there are more portfolios, you can add them by choosing another port and including them too. Then you need to click on publish. After that, we will go to the award section to show what I have achieved by doing all this work. You should first enter the name of your award. I will enter the name of the award and I have entered it. I will also write when I received it. 20. I have documented 2014 and will now proceed to add the description, elaborating on what I accomplished, how I was honored with the award, and the reason behind it. If there are additional awards, you can incorporate another award and then I'll include them. Verify how much your profile's strength has enhanced after publishing. It is now at 100. This indicates you have entered everything accurately. One important aspect to keep in mind. Be careful not to put anything incorrect here. Don't use any wrong keywords and don't write any false services like increasing fake followers or fake subscribers. Avoid all that because it can lead to a ban. Accounts? Alright, so this was the video presentation. If you enjoyed the video, kindly ensure to give it a thumbs up.